How to change header size in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can change header size in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables businesses of all sizes to create and manage their online stores effectively. With a wide range of features and tools, Shopify simplifies the process of setting up and running an e-commerce business. And some of the key features it offers including free and paid themes from the Shopify theme store to make your store stand out, free and paid apps from a Shopify app store to expand the functionality of your store, and Shopify's own payment provider to accept credit card payments, growth opportunities with Shopify sales channels, and a Shopify blog that provides guides and articles about running your store and connecting with your customers. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description or the login button. Then you will be directed on this page after signing in which it will show you in here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with your home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and many more. However, in those options to start navigating or changing the header size, just click this online store button right here and click themes. And it will show you on the right side panel all of your website themes and also your website in here. To proceed, just click the three dots and click this edit code button. Upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page in which just scroll down on the left side panel until you find the assets button. Upon clicking this assets folder right here, it will show us in here below other kind of folders or data, but just proceed by clicking this base.css. Or in your part, you could also click the theme CSS, and it will show you in here on the right side panel all of the coding it contains. And all you need to do is to simply scroll down to its bottom, and it will show you in here an extra spaces, in which this is the part where we will paste the code that we just entered right here. So this is basically the code wherein you can simply type this, and after that, just simply copy this one. And as you can see, the height it contains is 15 pixel. So let's try this one by copying this and go back in here and simply paste it in here. Upon pasting this one, we can now proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner. But before that, make sure that you also visit your website by clicking this customize right here. Upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on your website, in which this is basically what it looks like. And as you can see in here, it has a huge gap of header. But if we're going to paste this one that contains a height of 15 pixel and clicking the save button in here, and if we go back on our page after saving this, it will show us in here the result or the changes. So from here, just refresh this page in order to see the result or changes. Then from here, you will be able to see here that the header part is now currently smaller than before its sizes. So as you can see in here, we have here our menu option and also our logo in here. Now to change this or to change the sizes, we could also simply go back on this page and enter here the amount of pixel for the height sizes of our header. And as you can see, I just customized this one to 60 pixel, and by clicking the save button and going back on this page, when we refresh this, we'll be able to see here the changes in header sizes. So as you can see in here, our logo is now currently under the center in logo and also this banner. So basically, this is just the only way on how we can also start customizing the size of our header. But if you also want to click on this header and customize other things, including the desktop logo position, we can move in to middle left, center, top left, and many more, depending on your preferences. And after that, below here under menu, you could also choose or change the menu section. But make sure that upon changing some of the details in here, you could also click the save button on the top right corner before you click the refresh button in order to save the changes that we have done. So as you can see under this main menu, you could also change this menu if you want to, or even remove the menu. While under this desktop media type, we could show here the drop down menu, mega menu, and even this drawer menu depending on your preferences. In which menu type is automatically optimized for mobile. And for the sticky header, we'd also choose on scroll up, always shows or even reduce the logo sizes. So if you scroll down right here, it will show you that the logo sizes upon scrolling is now smaller. And aside from that, on the left side panel, from here, you could also change some other options, including, for instance, under this image banner, you could also change this image overlay opacity in which upon changing this one, it also affects the header section, since this image footer is also below the header. So from here, we could also start customizing some of the details, including the color scheme in here, to change the background gradient, text color, and many more, in which it will show in here a variety of color palette that you can choose to customize the color scheme of this section. And also, we could do the same thing on the header section by simply clicking this header section right here. And under this color scheme, just simply click this edit button, in which we can choose here different kind of background color for our header that we can choose, or even this gradient color. So let's say under this gradient, I'm going to choose this one. By simply clicking in here, it will show us that we can simply point out what kind of color scheme or gradient color that we prefer. And it will show in here under the header that the section has now been changed its color. So basically, it is not only the sizes that we could also start customizing on this page, but also the color scheme and other details to make this header more creative to look at. And as you can see, we could also change the color of the text in here, the button background, button label, and outline of the button, or even the shadow of it. However, we're going to keep it that way, and we can now move on. In here, if we scroll down, it will show us all of the changes that we have done. And it will show in here that the color scheme of the whole website is only affected, not only the header section. And aside from that, if we go back under this header section on the left side panel and changes this main menu by clicking this change menu, from here it will show you the option for footer menu or main menu. And as you can see, the menu option is in here. By clicking this one, it will show us the home, catalog, and contact option, in which we can change this into different kind of layout or option, such as drop down, mega menu, and even drawer option. But as you can see, upon changing some of those type, it will show in here no changes, but all we need to do is to simply refresh this one in order to see the changes. Then below, we could also change the mobile layout of this header, the bottom margin spacing, and also to change the section padding, to change the top padding, bottom padding, and even these theme settings in here, where we can add our Twitter account, Facebook, YouTube, and any other social media platform. And also in here, our logo that we could also start customizing or edit. So basically, it is important to customize the sizes of header, since header is the one of the first thing customers see when they try to visit your store. And customizing the header to match your brand's color, fonts, logo helps to create a cohesive, professional look to reinforce your brand identity. And this visualize the consistency makes your store more memorable and appealing to potential customers. And now, if you are now done editing your header section, we can now proceed by clicking the save button or the publish button. And we could also click the view in order to see what it looks like when a customer tries to visit our website. So this is basically what the customer will see, in which it will show us in here the color scheme of our header and also the whole website. So basically, it is important to customize the header size, since it should complement the overall layout and design of your store. A header that is too large or small can throw off a visual balance and make a page appear cluttered or empty. So customizing the size ensures the header integrates seamlessly with the rest of the store's design. So that is just basically how you can change header size in Shopify. Thank you.